How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode I'm gonna show you how to fix your bumper drift style. And I did this before. I never make a video because I thought it wasn't a thing, but obviously everybody who has a bumper that has been damaged, they can fix the bumper this way. And if you're planning to replace the bumper, well, this is gonna help you so you don't have more cracks on the bumper while you get the new one. And first time that I did it, I have zip tied all the way. That's why I have already the holes. This is not really difficult to do. You just have to, in case you have the bumper that is damaged, just remove your bumper and start making the holes, and then start putting the zip ties in a cross crease pattern. But the thing is, I'm doing this video now because you know, when you are loud like I am in this car, I'm really loud. Some people it's gonna hate it. Either way, whether you be a good or bad person, people are gonna hate on you. That's human. That's human. So there is nothing that I can do about it. So somebody cut my my zip ties not too long ago, and I gotta fix it now. So the hole's already there, but the only thing that you need to have is a drill bit. In this case, I'm gonna show you in a minute what I use for it. Just remove the bumper, start making the holes, and then put the zip ties. But I just wanted to make this video today because I was working on my headlights, and while I was there, I mean, bumper is really loose. I can just remove it. I think the zip ties, the stitches that I'm gonna put, it makes the car look awesome. So I was thinking on getting another bumper for this car, and I was thinking on getting another bumper for this car. I was thinking on getting the one for the coupe, for the two-door. Why that one? Because that one it has the holes here for the fog lights. If you can see on mine, I put the fog lights in there on the bottom. But the one for the coupe, it looks, I think it looks a lot better, and it can go right here. But when I put these stitches on the bumper, I decided I'm not gonna replace it. I think that makes the car look even better. I like it. I like the way it looks. So if you can see here, I already have some on. They didn't cut this one, so I'm gonna leave those on black. But I went to the store and I purchased this. I'm gonna put multicolor, and it's gonna look a little bit louder. So in case they cut them again, my haters, I got like extra, and I have the time and I got the passion to do it. So I don't care how much you cut. I'm still gonna put more zip ties on it. So okay, guys, so let me show you what I did, and I'm just gonna reproduce what I did last time. But the first thing that you need to do, remove your bumper. Okay, I haven't made a video because this is really simple and a lot of people has been doing it, how to remove your bumper. So you have one screw in here, bunch of clips on the bottom. If you can see this one in here, I'm still using it, but you have to have one clip in there, another one in here, and the same on this side. So I already removed everything, and I just have to pull out the bumper. Okay, once you remove your bumper, you can start making the holes. In this case, I was using my drill and the drill bit. This is a 3/16. That's what I use, and it's the perfect size for the zip ties that I have. So in this case, if you wanna do this, you wanna fix something, it could be, like I said before, temporary, or it's gonna be permanent. In my case, this is gonna be permanent because I like the way it looks, so I don't plan to change this bumper no more. You can use whatever drill bit that you need for the type of zip ties that you're gonna put. In this case, these zip ties, this is an 8-inch cable ties. So I'm gonna start using this, and if you go to the back side, you're gonna see how I put the zip ties. So let's start doing it. Once you make the holes For the zip ties, in this case I just gonna put them, different colors. It's gonna be random. This side where it ties, it has to be on the back side. So you put it on the next one, and then you put it on the one on the other side, on top, not on the one on across, one on top. And I'm doing this splash because if I don't do it, because I always remove this bumper, it comes in and out, and it's gonna crack even more. So this is the best way to prevent the car from doing that. Next one, the same thing. That one across. Now I'm gonna get some orange. Even pink ones, why not? I'm gonna try to make the car as loud as possible, and with my sticker bump, my roof rack, and my hood, it's already pretty loud. But why not doing it? There is no rules, guys. If it's your car and you pay for it, you can do whatever you want. Now on the back side, you have the zip ties. Just cut the extra. Okay, so that's how you put zip ties, guys, in a crisscross pattern. Really easy to do. Just when you put one, put it from the back side, one on the bottom, the other one across on top, same on the other side. Then you will have that effect. It looks like stitches. So next thing, just put your bumper back on, and that's how you fix, and that's how you do zip ties. So really easy to do, guys. Try to make a little short video on that. In case that you wanna fix it, mine it's gonna stay like that because I don't plan to change it. It's gonna stay like that forever, or until somebody else came here and cut them, and then I'm gonna put more. So I hope you like this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.